television?
Morning news, if it bleeds, it leads.
I'm starting a TV news business. You saw my item this morning with fatal carjacking.
And we're a couple blocks away from where that pursuit ended. It ended at 103rd and Alameda in Washington.
Get 821 for PD hit and run. PD hit and run, 5899 Hayes Camp. There's a subject there that backed into his vehicle on the road. He did leave westbound on Hall. Dark gray.
Ted, I got one fleeing from me.
He just pitted the car.
Everybody back now!
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Can't talk with a gun in your mouth, huh? Run! Who shot you?
Shot fired. Shot fired.
Being at 80 with a pistol rifle, short and Crenshaw.
Welcome. Why, oh, why, oh, why? Hey. Chronics, left and right. Just soldiers are come. Left and right. Wait. Ooh, yeah. Ah, boy. And them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. I start recruit soldiers for Selassie army. Ay. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You're not for axes who are the general issue in a warning.
Since then, I've been videotaping, scenes or crime scenes for the last 20 years as a photojournalist. Some of the major stories I covered was the Suge Knight, Ezell Ford, and Michael J. stories. I decided to kind of be a revolutionary type of individual that would change the game on how we get news digitally.
Walk away.
Okay, I'm with the press.
Okay, walk away.
All right, we're back on 1 Million Hits, 2015.
Well, I developed a show called 1 Million Hits.
Hey, have you been shot?
1 Million Hits is your urban way of telling the story from the streets.
Yeah, they got a shooting call over here. The police, yeah, they would have rolled up on you.
And when I say that, I mean we're talking about uncensored. We needed the type of press for the people, by the people. What happened here today, Lieutenant?
Tonight?
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, news happens. Turn on this scanner. You post up in the worst areas and you hunt. And when I say you hunt, you're not only looking for car crashes,
Where my son? What's wrong?
shootings, fires, car wrecks. Is there somebody in the car?
Yeah.
Car chases.
Okay, yeah, he was in a high-speed chase. Now, when I seen that man jump that fence, he was alive.
Officer-involved shootings.
Then now I come home and they say they done killed this young man. He's still breathing him!
I've covered a lot of protesters, domestic violence.
It is Sunday, June 8th. A man allegedly hit a woman in the head 15 times with a sledgehammer.
Barricaded suspects, some in home, some on the freeway. Okay, so we're here on the 110 North. They got hostages pretty much. What happened? It's a dude on it, he got a gun. Oh, he opened the trunk. Don't do it! They gonna kill this motherfucker.
So, Megan, this month has been quite an interesting month, would you say?
Oh my God. There was a crashed on Manchester Boulevard, and 3 were in the car. 1 was ejected.
So we just got a shot of 2 victims down at a party. 2 guys walked up and shot multiple rounds. It's just really embarrassing to me to see my people dying like this. Obviously, you see. Obviously, you see. Okay.
Hey, what's up, LA? You watching another episode of Shots Fired. Peace. Live on Periscope.